Hello and welcome to demonstration of e-voucher application for Estel Technologies. I am Rakesh Gulati and I manage sales and marketing for Estel Technologies. I'm going to show you and talk about Estel's e-voucher application. Estel's e-voucher application which can be used to recharge any prepaid service. With Estel's e-voucher application, the key thing which is achieved is that the company can eliminate the need for printing and distributing physical vouchers. I will now show you our e-voucher application over a POS terminal for you. This is a POS terminal and we have our e-voucher application installed on this terminal. This terminal has a very intuitive and user-friendly application installed on the terminal, which makes it very easy and fast to operate at a retail sales counter. To begin with, I am with user ID and password. A user here means the person who operates the POS terminal and sells e-vouchers at a retail outlet. As I log in, the main menu appears on the screen with various service options a user can perform. These options here are airtime recharge, utility bill payments, and balance inquiry. This menu is always customized for our customers based on the requirements and services our customers want to enable in their markets. Now, let's have a look at e-voucher recharge mobile airtime option. You will see here a list of mobile operators on the screen. Estel's e-voucher platform application supports multiple operators and also multiple services on the same application. Let's select here the first operator in this list, which is MTN. Next step is to select from these three options shown on the menu, which are e-top-up, online e-pins, or offline e-pins. Let me explain these three options for you. E-top-up means the subscriber's account will be recharged directly without a voucher, and both retailer and subscriber will get SMS confirmation that his or her account has been successfully recharged. For enabling e-top-up based recharge, the system needs to have an online integration with operators' IN or top-up system. The next option which you see here is online e-pins. This is for fetching the e-pin in real time from the server at the backend and printing it out for the subscriber. The e-pins in this case are not stored locally on the POS memory. The third option, which is offline e-pins, means the e-pins are pre-downloaded from the server and are stored in the POS memory. This is the most preferred method used by most retailers as it is faster, has lesser chances of errors due to break in connectivity with the server while the pin is getting downloaded. The e-pins in this case can be downloaded from the server, say once or twice a day. Okay, now let's show you how a retailer would print out a voucher when a customer walks in to buy. Let's select the offline mode. You now see the voucher denominations available for the chosen operator. Let's select MT200. This is for MTN Nigeria for a value of 200 Naira. For you, it will be your operator, your denominations and your country. Let's now select the quantity as 1, and as you can see, the POS prints out the e-voucher instantly. Have a look at the voucher. It has the PIN number here, date and time of sale, serial number, any promotional message, and instructions for the subscriber to recharge their account. Let's say the next customer who walks in is from Etisalat. So we select Etisalat as the operator and select ET500 here as the denomination. And you will see it now prints out an Etisalat e-voucher. This voucher now has Etisalat's promotional message and instructions for the subscriber to use the voucher for recharge. The look and feel of the vouchers, logos, the text are customizable for you and can be changed to use your specifications. Other than printing and selling e-pins, the user can also perform several other functions. For instance, stock report. This report is for pins available for all denominations on the POS machine. The report can be viewed on the display or can even be printed as desired by the user. Next is order pins. The user can order to download additional stock of pins from the server. When he or she performs this function, payments of these pins is deducted out of his or her wallet balance at the back end. Each retailer or distributor in the entire distribution chain has to have a wallet on the back-end system, which the Estel's back-end application provides. In a rare situation that the pin is taken out of the stock and the printing fails, the pin can be reclaimed using a combination of last transaction and claim function, as you can see here. Next is synchronize function. This is for synchronization of POS data with the backend server data. It can be done with the help of a scheduler or manually as and when required. Data synchronization is important for managing server stock, for MIS and reporting, and from the centralized backend server. Using this function, the user can also print sales reports anytime, which shows sales made for each mobile operator or service provider for all denominations sold. Estel's POS application enables write-based and role-based login. For example, when a user logs in with his password, he can see and do only those things he is authorized to do based on his role. In a large store where multiple POS terminals are operated by multiple people, a manager login can also be created. For example, the manager can order stock purchase, check the balance in his wallet account, and a user is not authorized to perform these functions. The manager can create and manage access rights for his staff of users working on the POS machines. Let us now show this to you. I am now logging in with the manager's password. As you can see here, I can create a new user and also change passwords of existing users as and when required. This function also helps generate sales reports for each of the staff members who operate the same POS terminal at different times of the day. Estel e-voucher system supports remote and dynamic menu management and automatic application updates. For example, when a new voucher denomination is introduced by a service provider, the same appears automatically on the next login by the POS terminal with the help of remote updates. Using this functionality, a totally new application version can also be remotely installed on the POS terminals in several parts of the city or country. For more information, or if you have any questions, you can get in touch with us through our website at www.esteltelecom.com. I hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration as much as I enjoyed it showing it to you. Thank you.